Helping yourself or your loved one preserve their independence is important. Caring for so many people at Landmark Health, we've learned some tricks and tools that can make a big difference. This video will walk you through some easy ideas to help somebody get in and out of the house safely. Today we would like to show you a few tips and tools on how to get into the house with greater ease when carrying something or using a walker. Did you know they make a step-on door stopper? One that you literally step on to hold your screen door open. This can help you get into your home by holding the door wide open until you are safely inside. Once inside, you simply hyperextend the door to release the catch. Getting into your home when you need to step up to cross the threshold can be difficult. Many people try to gain hold by using the door frame. To most people, this does not feel secure. Installing a simple handle from the hardware store on the door frame can give you a sturdy place to hold. When something is on the floor, it can take great effort to pick it up. Have you ever considered an extension grabber tool? For example, do you find your newspaper sitting on your stoop and dread the adventure you may have in stepping outside to pick it up? Well, if yes, this tool may be for you. Using the tips we previously described, you can open your screen door, hold the installed handle to help balance yourself, and proceed with the extender grabber and pick up that newspaper. And voila, there you have it. Thank you for all your hard work in caring for your loved one. Remember, Landmark is available to support eligible patients 24/7. When your loved one feels ill, make your first call to their Landmark care team.